Does the "an unexpected error occurred" keep popping up when you try to log into Instagram from your iPhone? Well, no need to call tech support yet. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix this issue. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the solutions. Solution 1. Check if your internet is working fine. To do this, first open up a browser of your choice. Then go to any link you want and see if the page loads up properly. If not, then turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off. After that, check if the error is gone. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Using a VPN can do the trick as well, so try that out too. Solution 2. Offload Instagram. To do this, open up Settings. Next, scroll down and tap on General. Then, tap on iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down until you see Instagram, then tap on it. Next, tap on the Offload App button. Then, tap on Offload App, and it will be offloaded. Now, just tap on Reinstall App and install will begin reinstalling. Once it's finished, check if the issue is fixed. Solution 3. Reset Network Settings. To do this, open the Settings app again. Next, just scroll down and find General, then tap on it. Now, scroll down a little and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then, tap on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Lastly, tap on Reset Network Settings. And your network settings will be reset. Now, the error should be gone. If not, try resetting your Instagram password and that should solve the issue. So that's how you fix the "an unexpected error occurred" error in Instagram on your iPhone. If the video helped you sort out the issue, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll reply to you real soon. Thanks for watching.